Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data so nothing is lost. Backup photos, contacts, and Drive now. Once done, make sure you know the Google email and password because the system will ask. Next, unlock the device and connect to Wi-Fi so verification can complete. Open Settings, then Accounts or Users and Accounts. This is where Android lists every signed-in account. You'll see Google entries, tap the one you intend to remove, and be ready to follow the prompts that appear. You'll tap the Google account and choose Remove Account. Android often asks for the device PIN or password to confirm, enter it. If removal is blocked, check Settings right arrow Security, right arrow Device Admin Apps, and disable any admin privileges for Google Apps, then retry removal. Once removed locally, make sure to sign into your Google account on the web and revoke unwanted device sessions and app access so sync stops everywhere. This prevents reauthorization and cleans up lingering connections across devices. After removal, reboot the phone and verify in Settings right arrow accounts that the Google entry is gone. If the account persists or the device requires verification at boot, remove the account from your Google account via My Account. Google.com before doing a factory reset, then perform the reset from Settings right arrow System, right arrow Reset options. If factory reset protection blocks you, the troubleshooting tip is to sign in with the original Google.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.